With the cost of living going up, everybody is looking for side hustles that they can start to make additional income. Well, in today's world, there's a new opportunity that I'm gonna recommend to you, and it's a tiny house side hustle. It's actually where you become a tiny home broker. And the amazing thing is, you don't need a tremendous amount of time invested to do this. You don't need previous construction experience, and you don't need a ton of startup capital. Anyone, anywhere can be a tiny home broker, and I'm gonna show you how today. So as a tiny home broker, you can do it as a side hustle, earning an extra 5 figures per year, or you can do it full time, earning 6 figures and beyond. Now, the way to get started will vary depending on what you feel comfortable doing. I like to call this the crawl, walk, run method. At the very beginning, if you're just new to the tiny home space and you don't feel comfortable going all out with a tiny home business, you can simply start off as an independent sales rep for a company. If you're doing this, you're gonna begin to get reps, talking to clients about tiny homes. That company will likely train you a little bit more on product knowledge related to tiny homes, and you're just gonna get more familiarity with the field. What's nice about this is it doesn't require launching a website or anything like that. You're simply working for somebody else on the side, helping them manage their leads and close their sales. Under this model, you're gonna get a sales commission. Sometimes there'll be companies that do base plus commission, but more often than not, you will likely find a role that's just a commission-based role, and you can expect that commission to be anywhere from 3 to 5%. Now, I call this kind of the crawl category, right? This is not where you're gonna be making a ton of income, but it is gonna be an opportunity for you to learn and get familiar with the space. After you are an independent sales rep, another opportunity to explore is being a tiny home affiliate. Being an affiliate is something where you can represent not just one company, but maybe multiple companies offering or selling their products. And I'll call it an affiliate slash dealer. Now, there is nuances between both of them, but the idea remains the same, that you are a conduit or a middle person between a builder and a buyer, and you are promoting their products. Now, I've seen people do this in different markets. One market in particular is California. There's multiple companies that operate this way. They have an online website that they've developed. They have these people that are coming to their website that are interested in, say, ADUs and tiny homes, and then they've partnered with multiple builders to offer their products. Now, this is also not a bad model, but I would still consider this kind of like that crawl slash training wheel type model where the amount of income you can make is capped. There are better models than that. But if you're just getting started and you want to get your feet wet and get familiar with the tiny home space, consider being an affiliate or consider being a dealer. Now, the next level up, I'm gonna call this the walking space, okay? You've crawled, you understand this space a little bit, but you're ready to evolve. This is gonna be where you're gonna step into a white label position. What a white label product is where you're taking somebody else's product that they've designed and they've developed, and you're putting your logo on it. You're putting your branding on it. At this point, you are officially a tiny home business with tiny home products. And the way this is gonna work is you're gonna find products throughout the country that you're a fan of, or throughout your space that you're a fan of. And you're gonna reach out to those manufacturers, reach out to those builders, and see if they're willing to white label their products. They may allow you to even do some nuances to their design to make it your own. But I wanna evolve you into what I think is the best way to do things as a tiny home broker, and that is to private label. When you're private labeling something, you still are kind of that middle person between the buyer and the builder, but you're no longer just selling for other builders, and you're no longer just selling products that they've developed. You're actually developing your own designs and developing your own products. But instead of being the builder for those products yourself, you're outsourcing that construction to a third party, to a manufacturer, to another builder, and they're gonna be producing your units for you. Now, why this model is so powerful is that you're able to work with different manufacturers to make sure that you get the best product cost on your unit, And then you're able to put a healthy markup on that particular product when you're selling it to your end client. So instead of just making a 3% commission or a 2% kickback or some 5% fee for selling something, you can make 35% on top of that. You can make 50%. The margins are significantly bigger. This means that you don't need to sell 100 tiny homes to make 250,000, but you can actually sell 10 small homes or tiny homes or ADUs to make 250,000. That is a lot more attainable, because I can tell you that the value in what you do lies in the sales that you're getting. And when you're selling for someone else and they're just giving you 2%, 5%, they're making the majority of the income on those. And you're doing the majority of the heavy lifting. I'm telling you, the value lies in selling. And so you want to leverage other manufacturers to produce your designs and your products so that you can ultimately make good income on those sales. Now, under this private label model, I like to kind of refer to what you're doing as being a design build broker. And this is the most profitable type of tiny home business model that I have seen. It's more profitable than being the tiny home builder. It's more profitable than being the affiliate. You're sitting right in between those two seats, and really what you're operating in is a very lean and a very leveraged business model. You're lean in that you don't have the overhead of the builder. Because you're outsourcing the manufacturing, they're carrying all the overhead expenses that come with being a builder, from warehouse facility to employees to insurances, so that in the slow seasons, you don't get beat up. So it's important to stay lean. But then you're also leveraged. Because you're able to outsource your production, you're not capped on the quantity of units that you can build. This means if someone comes to you and needs 50 units or 100 units, if you have the build partners that can supply that, you can tell that client, yes, we can do that project for you. You're also leveraged in a beautiful way in that you're not married to just offering one type of small housing or tiny housing product. You can actually partner with builders that focus on different product lines so that you can actually offer your client the right solution that they need. And finally, you're able to leverage the fact that these manufacturers and these builders could be located anywhere in the world. This means that geographically, you're no longer limited to only working in your city or in your state, but you can work nationwide and you can even work globally. Now, if this sounds at all intriguing to you and you want to learn more about this design, build, broker business model, I put together a free book. It's called the Tiny Home Broker Blueprint. It is absolutely free to you. You can click below to download it. And what it's gonna do is it's gonna give you the roadmap for this next season as you're navigating being a broker. What do you need to do step by step to be successful? What I've done is I've learned the hard way. Like, I've been the builder, I've been in the tiny home space for nearly a decade now. I've sold over $10 million in small housing, and I've taken what I've learned over those 10 years and condensed it and packaged it into this book to help you. So download it, take advantage of it. I wanna help you on your journey of starting your own tiny home business. Well, thanks so much for hanging today, and I look forward to seeing you in the next video.